Fast startup may come pre-enabled on some computers, but if you're not sure if it's turned on your computer, here are some steps you can follow. Now what you need to do first is to search for Control Panel, choose Power Options, select Change what the power options do, and then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Then under the Shutdown Settings, place a checkmark in Turn on Fast Startup option, then save the changes. You can also try to turn off startup applications using Task Manager. Click on Startup Impact to see which apps have the highest impact. Then you can disable the application you want by clicking on it. Then choose the Disable option. You'd also try to update Windows to speed it up by opening Settings. Click Windows Update. Then choose Check for Updates to download the latest updates. And those are the possible ways on how you can improve startup time on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.